Welcome to Fundamental of GIS, GIS People series of famous geographers, GIS scientists, I would say. And today we are talking about another important one, number 17, Alan MacEachren. Alan MacEachren. He is a professor of geography at Penn State, Pennsylvania State University. He began by studying an electronic range of disciplines for botany through to experimental psychology at Ohio University before settling on a major in geography. And next undertook a master's and PhD in geography at the University of Kansas. There, he became interested in environmental perception in general and the cognitive aspects of map symbolization in particular. Following his move to Penn State in 1985, he developed aspects of map symbolization in particular. Following his move to Penn State in 1985, he developed interests in the relationships between cognitive science, GIS, and GI science, with an emphasis on visual representation of geographic information. Today, he continues to develop a range of geovisualization applications and explores the potential of technology to enable immersive virtual environments and geo-collaboration. He acts as director of the GeoVista Center at the university. Center activities have played a leading role in the development of geovisualization, allied to other developments in GI science. The center is avoidably interdisciplinary in addressing two goals. One, to develop a deep understanding of human interaction with geographic information and technologies. And B, to use that understanding to develop powerful human-centered scientific methods to solve social, environmental, and other problems. Central to these objectives in the use of computer-supported, visually enabled exploration and analysis of an ever-expanding range of geographic data. For Alan, the science of geovisualization is leveraging the rapid advances in information technology to enable creative thinking. He sees better understanding of how people use dynamic, visually enabled representations as key to designing and implementing more effective forms of representation. He says, most research in geovisualization over the past decade has focused on enabling science. While this remains an important application domain and there are many unanswered questions, it is time for geovisualization research to take a broader perspective. We need to extend or reinvent our geovisualization methods and tools so that they can support real-world decision-making. Two particular challenges stand out. First, geovisualization methods and tools must support the work of teams much more directly, with the visual display acting not just as an object of collaboration, but as a means of enable dialogue and coordinate joint action. Second, geovisualization must move out of the laboratory to support decision-making in the field. Example for crisis response. Alan's hobbies include bird watching, identifying birds by GIS, the art of seeing a bird badly, but still knowing what it is, involves similar skills to geovisualization, such as the need to identify phenomena that may be difficult to categorize. Talk more about geovisualization. Geovisualization develops and extends these concepts in a number of new and innovative ways. There are four principal purposes of geovisualization. Exploration, for example, to establish whether and to what extent the general message of a dataset is sensitive to inclusion or exclusion of particular data elements. Synthesis, to present the range, complexity, and detail of one or more datasets in ways that can be readily assimilated by users. Good geovisualization should enable the user to see the wood for the trees. Presentation, to communicate the overall message of a representation in a reliably intelligible manner and to enable the user to understand the likely overall quality of the representation. And analysis, to provide a medium to support a range of methods and techniques of spatial analysis. These objectives cut across the full range of different applications tasks and are pursued by users of varying expertise that desire different degrees of interaction with their data. The tasks addressed by geovisualization range from information sharing to knowledge construction. User groups range from lay public users to GIS specialists, spatially aware professionals, or ASAPs, and the degrees of interaction that users desire range from low, passive, to high. Geovisualization allows users to explore, synthesize, present, and analyze their data more thoroughly than was possible hitherto.